What is Temu Price Cut, and how does it work in 2025? Full explained guide. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Temu shopping tips and deals. Today, we'll explain what Temu Price Cut is and how it works in 2025. First, what is Temu Price Cut? Temu Price Cut is a feature on the Temu app that allows users to get discounts on products by sharing deals with friends or participating in certain promotions. It's different from coupons. It's more like a social discount system. Second, how it works. 1. Open the Temu app and look for products with the Price Cut icon. 2. Tap on Invite Friends to Cut Price or Start Price Cut. 3. Share the link with friends or on social media. Each friend who participates reduces the price a little. 4. Once enough friends join, the discount is applied, and you can buy the product at the lower price. Third, rules and limits. The maximum discount depends on the product. Some products may have daily or weekly limits on price cuts. You must complete the price cut before checkout, otherwise the full price applies. Fourth, tips to get the best price cuts. Share with friends who actively use Temu. Participate in flash price cut events for bigger discounts. Check your Temu notifications daily for new price cut opportunities. Pro tip, combine price cuts with other Temu coupons to maximize savings. Always check the expiry date of coupons and price cut events. That's it. Now you know what Temu Price Cut is and how it works in 2025 to save money while shopping. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment Temu Savings below.